G'day, JC here, obviously from Bangkok once again. Sitting in a cafe having a mocha, which is costing me, actually it's quite an expensive mocha. This one's cost me 120 baht, which is about 6 NZ dollars or £3. Normally I pay as little as 50 baht, which is $2.50 or £125, so it's going to be a bit expensive, but it's air conditioned. I've got cakes and sandwiches, so you know, you kind of get what you pay for, right? You pay the 50 baht, $1.25 when you have a street vendor. Anyway, I want to talk to you briefly, this won't be a long video, about medical facilities and dental facilities in Thailand. I've had the pleasure of a friend of mine who had not a pleasure, it wasn't a pleasure for him. He had a couple of issues with his, with his stomach when he was in Thailand. We were touring around about 3 or 4 months ago. He had to go into hospital, into emergency. Actually, he had an issue with his eye. He got something stuck in his eye, which was an emergency, and he had something with his stomach. So 2 separate incidents within about a month. Probably a user-related error. Too many cocktails and getting something stuck in your eye is just random, right? I've had no issues in 2 years. I haven't been sick. Hungover a few times, but not sick. Anyway, so he said the hospital that he went to for his gastric problems, he was overnight. They gave him an interpreter that was a Thai English interpreter, 24/7. He said it was the best food and the best facilities he's ever come across, and he's 56 and he's been in and out of hospital a few times here and there, certainly in New Zealand and other parts. He's from England. He said it was the best facilities he's ever seen. He had insurance, so I've got medical insurance, and it's cost me, what is it costing me, $650 for 1 year for any medical stuff. So if I have to go to a doctor or have an accident, it's not life insurance. And it's not travel insurance for losing stuff, it's just medical insurance if I have an accident or get sick. So he went to the hospital, and I think it cost, what did he say, it cost him 6,000, 7,000 baht, which is $300 for the night. He ended up getting all that back anyway from insurance. So he had to pay it up front. I think he paid up 10,000 baht, $500 in total, and he got it back on insurance when he got back to New Zealand. So anyway, he said it was the best experience he's ever had. I've been to the dental clinic. My partner got a checkup and kind of a scrub and an x-ray, and this place was like a hotel. It had 2 levels, had elevators, they were all dressed immaculately. There was signs and LED screens everywhere, very professional, very polite and courteous, and they've got a lot of dental facilities in Thailand, not just for your scrub and clean, but for your complete mouth restructuring and anything and everything you can possibly find anywhere in the world. You'll get it so much cheaper in Thailand. So the medical checkup for my partner, it cost us 15 NZ dollars, £7.50-ish, and that was an hour of scrubbing, x-rays and all bits and pieces. That's crazy. It would cost 20 times that. Yeah, 15 to 20 times that in New Zealand. 200, 250 bucks NZ quite easily. It's almost cheaper to come. Well, it is cheaper to come to Thailand if you have a physical procedure you want done on your body, and obviously the breast implants and all the other types of implants and plastic surgery on your lips, and you can get medical stuff done. You can get your whole mouth redone, either dentures or crowns or implants for 20, 30 times cheaper than what you can pay often. 30-40% cheaper than what you can pay in your home country, sometimes even more. So message me. I have a number of facilities that I have come into contact with, and with my Thai partner who speaks obviously Thai, we can help you kind of save time and save money and do some research for you. So come back to me if you've got any medical procedure you want help with, or any dental procedure or anything at all on the medical side, and you'll get world-class service for a astronomically cheap price. Great, chat soon.